Early season matchup between two powerhouses in the North Division. Crew Chief Ray Gabriel, Michael Kinay, and Jumel Hadrakinia ang ating officiating crew for this evening's main game. Caloocan in yellow, they win the tip. Abra in white. Cabanag. Ronnie Matias for three. Yes, sir! And off to a good start. Batang Kangkaloof. Nowhere to go. Pass deflected. Takbo ang Caloocan. Tayong Tong with a left-handed finish.
Just the start.
Sumang. Binabantayan ni Joel Liu. Roy Sumang off the glass and in.
We'll talk about working hard for your basket. Roy Sumang right.
After the first possession basket ni Matias, that has not been going, but Gabby Espinas. Liu. Oh, what a shot. A good play there. Natamaan si Sumang. And Ronnie Matias early. Sumang for three. Yes, sir.
Into a rhythm. Yet is Abra.
And press break. Cervantes gets the 2 points.
Sa kabilang panik.
Here he is for the second opportunity. Chavez inside. Look what I found.
Natakam etong si Real Cervantes.
The end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. Sanga. Step back jumper is good.
Oh, what a tough shot.
Real Cervantes. Jeremy Cabanag, binalik na rin ni Coach Alex Angeles. Here's Palencia. Great reverse. Galing kay Irvin Palencia. Clemente, the extra pass to Chavez against the Giants.
Oh, what an impressive finish.
Yung kasama ko dito kaya, pero ako, ewan ko.
Wala na akong sinabi. Pero ito si Cabanag. Ang daming sinabi doon sa layup na yun. Ano sinabi?
Ay Roy Sumang ang bola. Weavers, nice pass inside. The Tonton bring us with a finish.
Oh, what a beautiful recovery by Roy Sumang.
To Comboy. Capiral back out to Comboy. He is free for three. And here comes Abra. Here comes Abra. Crossover from Sumang. The jumper is good. Roy Sumang.
This a lot of shot makers. The shots they're getting, especially from Sumang, as he's speaking of a shot maker. What a...
The play continues. Inigo. Nice pass to Matias.
Beautiful pass and push of the ball by Achi. Lalarong to. Usually it would end up in a grind-out game.
Oh, what a shot. Gabby Espinas. Oh, the strength to hold off Tonton Bringas. Recto. Steal by Cabanag. And he will score this time. Lamang din talaga sa cohesion and chemistry itong Caloocan, and Joel Liu has 6 points in the contest.
5 orange shirts nasa loob na. 5 rin kumuyog sa loob.
Faundo gets the 2 points.
Just a terrific recovery by Faundo. Sumang right there with a careless pass by, I believe, Bonsubre, and Sumang converts it.
So it's a 36-29 count at the end of the first half, brought to you by GameX.
So there's the stop that we talked about, Abra. Let's see if they could score.
And they do. Mike Cañete. That's the one-hander to...
5 white shirts inside the paint. Just unable to complete the stop is Abra. And Lee Yu.
He will get continuation. And Joel Lee Yu,
you know, passing too much.
and Tayong Tong, put back by Matias. 10 points para kay Ronnie Matias. Paundo drives baseline, the door shut by Matias, looking for a way through, and GP Paundo. Very aggressive. Crossover, Recto. Umatake Recto, shifting hands, and Oton Bringas able to get the offensive rebound, and Asin with a jumper. Wala. Cervantes and Cañete fighting for it, and Real Cervantes gets the 2 points the hard way. 6 in the ball. Pass to Sanga. Nice fake, no good. Rebound, nakuha ni Palencia to Gabby Espinas. End of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first Sanga. Matias sa gitna. Turnaround shot. The Ronnie Matias puts it in.
What a pass.
Inside, Matias. No go. Another opportunity. Wala pa rin. And look at Ronnie Matias. Relentless. What a night for Ronnie Matias. Sanga. Well challenged, and Paul Sanga knocks down the 3.
Forces a timeout for Coach Jonathan Banaldat.
To Comboy. Comboy for 3. Yes.
Oh, what a bailout shot that was from Wendell Comboy.
And really full of energy. Cabanag with a jumper. Yes, sir. 6 na puntos na para kay Jeramer Cabanag. Comboy. Chavez. Naghihintay si Joel Lee Yu. Chavez. The bump and the bucket.
But he sprinted down on defense, forces Palencia to pull it back out.
Valencia in trouble. Cabanag to beat the shot clock. Jeramer Cabanag.
Possession. They're going to look for Comboy for sure.
There he is. Comboy. The fadeaway is good. 8-point game.
With the degree of difficulty.
Chavez goes baseline. Comboy on the kick out. 3-pointer. Yes, sir. 5-point game. Tolentino. Inintay si Chavez. Drives baseline. 1 possession game. 8 points para kay J.R. Chavez. Caloocan's lead is down to 3 with the Comboy. The shot is good. 1-point game. 15 for Wendell Comboy.
11-0 run by Abra.
And Jeramer Cabanag answers right back. Comboy. 3 on the way. Yes, sir! Tied game. Cabanag uses the pick from Cervantes. Gets it back. Cabanag. Labas kay Real. 3. Pasok yan! Big shot from Real Cervantes. Jeramer Cabanag making it happen for Caloocan. (62-59), 23.5 seconds remaining. Dalawang bantay ni Comboy. He gets it back, fires a 3. Wala. Rebound, Lee Yu. Chavez, Bringas, Tolentino, and Comboy. It's off Chavez. Palencia. Caloocan, just 12 free throws para sa kanila. Valencia, yes. Has it. J.R. Chavez for 3. Wala. And Caloocan survives.
Now, because they literally saved him of losing this game, because the game really turned around after the unnecessary unsportsmanlike foul. But before that, where would Caloocan be if not for the brilliance of Ronnie Machas? Who would have expected Ronnie Machas to finish with 14 points in this game? He was just completely into it right from the start.
Yeah, very final score. 63-59 is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.